In this video, I want to take you on a journey through 3 beautiful villages in China and the stunning landscapes around them, all located in areas relatively close to Shanghai. These villages are Huangling Village, Xishan Island, and Gaimen Village. Huangling Village is said to be one of the most beautiful villages in China. It is a perfect destination for nature lovers, architecture enthusiasts, and history buffs. Perched on top of a mountain, it is filled with old houses and carefully restored buildings. Since we were more focused on nature, we didn't dive too deep into the historical and architectural details. One of the most striking sights in the village was the rows of chili peppers laid out to dry everywhere. Another weekend, we decided to visit Taihu Lake and explore one of its famous islands up close. That island was Xishan Island, the largest in Taihu Lake, Suzhou. It is known for its natural landscapes and historical sites. Miao Peak is the highest summit in the area, reaching an elevation of 336 meters. It offers a clear view of the island's green landscapes and a wide perspective of the surrounding Taihu Lake. This is the Great Rui Sacred Place, which is a significant spiritual site featuring traditional Buddhist architecture, including several temples and shrines. The most prominent statue here is the Golden Guanyin, symbolizing compassion in Chinese Buddhism. The temples within the complex serve as places for worship, meditation, and cultural exploration, with gold-plated Buddha statues, murals, and incense-filled halls, creating a serene atmosphere. One weekend, while hiking in the forests around Shenzhou, we accidentally lost our way and unexpectedly found ourselves in Gaimen Village. It was an incredible surprise. Gaimen Village itself is a beautiful mountain village, once known as Lumen because of its dense forests and frequent deer sightings. Over 800 years ago, the renowned Confucian scholar Zhu Xi gave it the name Gaimen, which it has kept ever since. We entered the village from the back of the Wuyuan Academy building. Lu Guizhou founded Wuyuan Academy in the 12th century, and it remained active for over 700 years. After being dormant for a century, the academy was restored and reopened in June 2018, now serving as a cultural and educational hub. From the looks of the village, it seems that significant investment has been made to develop it into a tourist destination. On our way back, we decided to take the forest paths again. In the future, I will show you more villages from China. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure.